Assalamu alaikum. Hi, grade 1 today. How are you, girls? Today, inshallah, we will revise on Unit 5 making sound. The first question now. Choose the correct answer. C. Sponge can or can't make sound. Hi, girls, think. C. Sponge can or can't make sound. Excellent. C. Sponge can't make sound. Number 2. The deer make sound to warn or frighten other animals. To warn. Excellent. Deer makes a sound to warn other animals. Number 3. The tiger makes sound. Why? To warn other animals? To say to the other animals, the rabbit will come? No. The tiger makes a sound to frighten other animals. The rabbit makes sound. Why? Rabbit makes a sound. Why, girls? Rabbit. To frighten the tiger? No. To warn other animals of danger. Okay, number 5. The lion like tiger, makes a sound to what? To frighten other animals. Birds sing. Why? Birds sing why, girls? To eat? To dance? Why? To pass on information. Means what? To talk to each other. To pass on information. Things make sound are what? Musical tools or cup? You know cup? Cup, you drink tea, you drink juice in the cup. Cup makes sound? No. Musical tools. So things make sound are musical tools. Number 8. Things make sound as what? Rubber, eraser. You know rubber, you girls? Rubber, eraser. It's eraser. Or telephone and bell. Excellent, girls. Telephone and bell. So things make sound as what? Telephone and bell. Clapping hard. If you clap hard, hey girls, try to clap hard now. Clap hard. Makes what? Loud sound or quiet sound? Excellent. Clapping hard makes a loud sound. Number 10. Clapping what? Makes a quiet sound. Quiet sound, not louder. When you clap hard or you clap gently, slowly, softly. So clapping gently makes a quiet sound. Can we hear everything, grade 1? Can we hear everything? No, we can't hear everything. We can't hear everything. Moth, you remember moth? Moth can hear more than the human or less than the human? You remember? Of course, moth can hear more sounds than the human. Moth can hear more sounds than the human. Number 13. The sound gets what? Quieter or louder when we move closer to it, when we move to the sound. The sound will be quieter or louder? Will be louder. Excellent, girls. The sound gets what? Quieter or louder when we move away from it. When we move away. The sound gets quieter or louder when we move away. Excellent. The sound gets quieter. Number 15. Car. Ambulance is an emergency vehicle. Emergency vehicle means what? It's a car to know that someone in danger. So it will be ambulance. Excellent. Ambulance has what? That makes sound. Has light or sirens. Sirens. The sirens make sound. Ambulance sirens make sound. Why, girls? Why? To sing? No. To talk? No. Ambulance siren makes sound why? To know that someone in safe or danger, in danger. Someone in danger. Someone is sick. Someone needs to go to the hospital, to go to the doctor. Using our eyes and ears help us to cross the road safely or in danger. If you want to cross the road, you use what? Use your nose? No. Use your tongue? No. You use what? Your eyes, your ears to see if there is any danger. So you will cross the road safely. Cross the road what? Safely. Okay. Now, write from the word bank. This is what you girls. Musical tools, C sponge, bell, telephone. This is what? Excellent. C sponge. C sponge. Okay, this is what? Musical tools, bell or telephone? Yes, musical tools. Okay, this one, bell or telephone? Telephone. This is what? Telephone. And the last one will be what? Bell. Okay, you remember the sounds of animals? This is what? The name of this animal is what? Elephant. This is elephant. The sound of elephant is what, you remember? Hi, grade 1. Yes, excellent, girls. Trumpeting. Trumpeting. So the sound of the elephant is what? Trumpeting. Okay, number 2. This is what? This is cat? No. This is mouse? No. This is what? Cow. Cow. The sound of the cow will be what? Mooing. Mooing. Okay, this is what? Cat. Sound of cat is what? Meowing. 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 Okay, the last one is what? Mouse. 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 Sound of mouse? Squeaking. Squeaking. So here, elephant, trumpeting, cow, mooing, cat, meowing, mouse, squeaking. Okay, now let's write the names of these sounds. This is what you girls, singing? No. Whistling? No. This is what? Talking. Talking. And here, this boy is what? Is coughing? No. Is clapping? No. Is whistling? Yes. This boy here is whistling. Okay. This woman here is coughing? No. Is talking? No. Is clapping? No. Is sneezing? Sneezing. This woman here sneezing. And here, you know it, all of you, clapping. Clapping. Okay, this man here is coughing. Coughing. And the last one, this girl is singing. Singing. So now, talking, whistling, sneezing, clapping, coughing, singing. Okay, now, this is what you girls, this is police car? No, this is ambulance. Ambulance. And this one, fire engine. Fire engine. Fire engine. Police car. Police car. This animal is called what? This is tiger? No, this is tiger. This is tiger. This is what? Leopard. 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 And this animal, tiger. Where is tiger here? There is no tiger. Okay, can you write it? Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. 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 Tiger. And this one, lion. 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 And the last animal, hyena. 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 They are hunting animals. They eat other animals. So here, ambulance, fire engine, police car, leopard, tiger, lion, hyena. Okay, the last question today. Put true or false. Lion, leopard, tiger, and rabbit. They are hunting animals. They are eat other animals. This is true. This is correct or false? It's wrong. No, it is right. So will be here what? True. Hunting animals have padded feet. You remember the feet of the hunting animals. They are what? Padded feet. Why? To sleep? No, to creep up on other animals, to catch other animals, to eat other animals. So this is false. Put cross here. Ambulance, fire engine, and police car, they are emergency vehicles. Excellent, girls. This is true. Hunting animals have padded feet to creep up on other animals, to move slowly to catch other animals. True. Fire engine has siren that makes sound. Fire engine, this one, has siren. Why? Why, girls? To make sound. There is someone in danger. So this will be what? True. Lion, leopard, tiger, and hyena are hunting animals. True. Police car doesn't have siren. Hey girls, police car here has siren or doesn't have siren? Yes, has siren. So here the sentence is wrong. Police car doesn't have siren? No, police car has siren. So this will be wrong. Seeing and hearing senses help us to cross the road safely, to move in the road safely. This is what? True. I can hear with my nose? No. I can hear with my ear. I can smell with my nose. So this is wrong. I hear when sound travels into the ear. I hear when the sound moves to my ear. Yes, it's true. We have one ear. Do you have one ear, grade 1? No, I have 2 ears. So this will be wrong. I can hear with my ear. True. I can hear with my ear. 2 ears help us to hear better than 1. I can hear with 2 better than 1 ear. So this will be what? True. Seeing and touching senses help us to cross the road safely? No, seeing and hearing, touching is wrong. So the sentence will be wrong. Excellent, girls. Bye bye, grade 1.